My name's J-Dub Hanna, Rock and C Garage Board Shop. Today I'm showing you our brand new proprietary modified planer, the Rock and C DeWalt Max. It is sick, it is so good. Over the last 8 years shaping surfboards, there's a few key features in planers that make a huge difference. We've been designing modifications for this planer for the last year and a half, and we finally got it totally dialed. Vertical ergonomic grip, holds OEM controls, custom channels holding all the wiring, fluid proprietary depth control, goes from max to min cut in just 45 degrees. Oh, it feels so good. Beveled shoes, and of course, Rock and C proprietary dust control, quick 3-unit lug that disconnects to all the other tools. Super excited to show you this. Let's go. So the average surfboard planer, you chop the handle and then you just glue it back on. You reposition it and re-glue it. What's super cool, took forever, designed a custom handle from the ground up. It houses the OEM trigger and wiring and maintains the locking mechanism. Super ergonomic, this thing is awesome. It is so nice having a vertical handle, it's a game changer. Dust control. What's so nice about this setup is the dust port is right centered on the top. So when you're working up and down a board, it doesn't jog you one way or the other. It just pulls in line right with the middle of the planer. So, like all good Rock and C dust control systems, it uses our proprietary 3-unit lug, quick disconnect. Oh, fluid ABUC 11 integral ball bearing system. Super nice to attach this bad boy. Snap it in, quick twist, and as you're working up down the board, the hose never binds. Let's say you've got a Hitachi P20 SB. Boom. Ready to go. Let's say you have the legendary Festool RO150. This thing is so nice just to have dust control for sanding as well. So what's super nice is you can easily just change to any one of your planers or even your sander. Also, when you buy one of these bad boys, it comes with our Rock and C Flex Max hose. This hose is awesome. It retracts as you move and gets out of the way. Any good custom modified surfboard planer comes with beveled shoes and laser engraved logo. So our planers come with a 2-blade cutting head, but Find By Tool just came out with a super neat spiral cutter head. Anyone who's core into surfboard shaping has heard about the drum grit sander from Shapers Australia. It's incredible. It's impossible to get. It costs like 250 bucks and you have to import it from Australia. And what's weird is it's not in stock the majority of the time. I had to wait almost 2 years checking every single day for it to become in stock. I've had people cold call me, try to buy mine. So it's just hard to get, it's expensive, and they're never in stock. This is super cool. Findbytool.com. You can buy this and have it shipped in just a couple days. This spiral cutter tool head is so smooth. It cuts so well and it doesn't tear foam. The difference between a standard 2-blade is night and day. So our planers don't come with that. That's something that the individual will have to add on their own, but it is so sick to even have that option. On to the best part, the fluid depth control. This took so long to get right. It is fantastic. So this used to be my favorite planer. Hitachi P20 SB, super tricked out, modified. This is the depth control. Max to min, about 90 degrees. Rock and C depth control. Max to min, about 45 degrees, and it returns to 0. Listen to this. Oh. So, about 45 degrees, max to min cut, super fluid, so nice. When you're done cutting, let go, and you can set the planer down. So these come stock with low quality, pretty cheap gasket foam. We use high quality laser cut yoga mat. It is top tier. I'm biased, but objectively, this thing is sick. Find it, rockandseagaragebordshop.com, and join the crew. Let's shape some boards.